Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to boot into recovery mode on your HP ENVY X360. Before we do that, I need to warn you that if you are planning on actually doing anything in the recovery mode, then you may lock your drive with BitLocker. So if BitLocker is enabled, and by default it is, then make sure that you have access to your Microsoft account. So I'm gonna click on the start button, then click on my account and find out which email I have. Okay, I have this one. So since I have it, now I'm gonna go to my phone and go to a website, aka.ms/myrecoverykey, as you can see here. It has to be this exact website, because as you can see here, the website I visited 2 weeks ago accidentally was without the dot or slash, it was just .com at the end, and actually this was a scam website, so you need to go to this exact website. So I'm gonna click on go. Then it'll ask me to log in with the Microsoft account, so I need to log in with the same account that's logged in on your laptop. So I'm gonna do it right now. Then I just clicked on sign in, and I should be in a moment. Yes, I am, so that's great. Here are BitLocker recovery keys, so if my drive gets locked, I'll be able to unlock it with the key. So now I'm gonna go to the start button, then go to settings. I'm gonna show you first how to boot into recovery mode if you are already booted in the system. Then I'm gonna show you how to do it if you are not in the system. So from the system, go to Windows Update, then go to Advanced Options, then Recovery, and find Advanced Startup and click on Restart Now. Then it will get you to the recovery mode. Although I'm gonna shut down my laptop to show you how to do it if you are not booted in the system. So I'm gonna shut down. But even if you are not booted in the system, you'll need to have the BitLocker recovery keys anyway. So I'm gonna click on the power button. Then as soon as I release the button, I'm gonna start on pressing escape button multiple times. So let's click here, then escape button multiple times until it shows a little text right here. Now I can release, and then let's press on F11 to go to system recovery. Now I'm in the system recovery, and if I click on continue, then nothing will happen. If I click on turn off, then it will turn off. Then I can also go to use a USB drive, network connection, or Windows recovery DVD, or I can go to troubleshoot. In troubleshoot, I can reset this PC or go to advanced options. I'm gonna just click on anything so you can see how to unlock with BitLocker in case you lock it. So I'm gonna go to startup settings, where I can choose to start up in safe mode. Let's click on enter, then click on enter to restart. You cannot move with the mouse or touch screen, so you need to use arrows and occasionally a tab button on your keyboard. And you can see now I'm locked with BitLocker. So in order to proceed, I need to click on enter. Then I need to go to the website I have went before. And here is my recovery key ID. The first segment will be shown on the website, so I'm gonna quickly find it to show you. Okay, I think I've got it. You can see it matches with the first segment, so this key will be for this laptop. It is useful if you have multiple devices connected to your account and you don't know which key to use. So now I need to enter this whole key, which is here, and then click on enter. So I'm gonna try to do it correctly the first time. And now I think it was correct, so I can click on enter, And yes, it works. I'm gonna just click on enter to return to my operating system, but you can, for example, open safe mode by clicking on 4 on your keyboard. So I'm gonna click on enter, but I'm also gonna explain that if you went to the BitLocker recovery mode and you actually are there, then there's no way to exit that besides actually entering the keys. So once you enter into BitLocker recovery, then you are locked, and you cannot just go back to skip it. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.